today, and I'm going to start off with this Sigma eye primer that I'm always using. It's called Persuade. I'm going to take that on a brush, and then I'm going to go ahead and put it on my eyes. It makes it easier for me to spread it with the brush instead of just putting the pencil there. In the darkest hour, all of my colors today are going to be coming from this Garden of Juvia's palette. The first one I'm going to use is that color right there. You guys, all of this everything that I use in this video is going to be down in the description box for you guys to check out. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and pat this on my eyelids until I get the desired color that I want. Lives are changed for more. This is the next color that I'm going to go ahead and take out the palette, and what I'm going to do with that color is I'm going to get a fluffy blending brush and just go ahead and put that into my crease and blend it kinda into the lid color. There's nowhere to go. This is going to be the next color that I'm going to take. I am going to get a fluffy blending brush, and I'm going to blend that right over the brown color that y'all just saw me put, and kind of just blend it upward going toward my brow bone, just to make those two seamlessly blend together. But you also had your cup filled up. What I'm doing now is just going back in and blending a little bit of that brown color that I use for my crease to just darken it back up and make sure that my colors blend seamlessly. That you still have more to go. Now I'm gonna go in with this pretty, it's like a lilac pink color, and I'm just gonna go ahead and place that right over the color that y'all saw me putting before. So I'm just gonna get another fluffy blending brush and blend that right on top of it to give it a little bit of a more festive purple color. Right into our hearts. It does, doesn't it? Teresa, you're so... Now what I'm going to go ahead and do, what I'm doing right now is just blending that color that I use for my crease. I'm blending that right into that very pretty, I think it's called marigold, and then blending it out into my crease still. But I'm just deepening up the outer end of my eye, if y'all can see what I'm doing, and just to give it like this gradient, very pretty burnt orange look. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take this liquid eyeshadow by Juvia's place. It's called Fula, and what I'm gonna do with that is I'm gonna put it in my inner corners of my eyes. You guys, this is a very beautiful color. So I'm just dabbing it on there because I didn't really know how pigmented it was gonna come out. So I'm just gonna go ahead and dab that on there. At first I was trying to blend it out with a brush, but that wasn't really working. So then y'all gonna see me try to blend it out with my finger, and then I'm just gonna go back in with the brush and then try to blend it out and put some of that like really pretty yellow color on there as well. Y'all about to see all of this. Now what I'm basically doing is going back in with that brown color, you guys, and just blending it back out, because when I put the yellow color in, it kind of went over the brown. So I'm just going ahead and just blending basically to put the eye color back the way that I previously had it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take this jumbo milk pencil. This is a NYX pencil and the color I'm using is called Oyster. I'm gonna go ahead and line my waterline with that pencil. It is a very beautiful metallic lilac purple color. What I'm going to do now is use this Revlon London eyeliner. It's like a liquid liner. And I'm going to give myself a really thick cat eye. Y'all know typically I don't do that. But today I just felt like being extra. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to give myself a very thick cat eye with this liquid liner. I forgot the name of this mascara, you guys, but I got it free from Ulta, I believe, when I bought a bunch of stuff. And I'm just going to be using that as my mascara today. The name of it will be down in the bottom bar. It's like a mini version of something. I don't know. But I don't know. I wasn't too fond of this mascara, so I don't know. It was free, so I used it. But I had to put a whole bunch of coats, and it still didn't give me what it was that I needed. So I had to go back in with one of my Princess Lash mascaras. Y'all will see that to go ahead and just give my eyelashes the length and volume of what it is that I like for them. Alright, you guys, this is the ending of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this look because I enjoyed making it for you. You guys who aren't subscribed, please consider subscribing. You guys who have been with me, thank you so much. I absolutely love you, and thank you to my new subscribers. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, you guys, and I'll see you in my next video, which will be very, very soon. Bye.